When your dad's an NFL quarterback, you probably don't have to worry about whether or not he's going to be active with you.
I don't know, Peyton. When you're active all day long, it isn't always easy to come home and be active with your kids. Sometimes you just want to put your feet up and relax for a while.
Well, that's true, Dad, but you spent an awful lot of time playing with us.
Sure I did, but the point is, it's not easy.
No matter what you do for a living, whether you work in an office, in a warehouse, on a job site, or in the home all day, it takes a real commitment to be active with your kids. But if your kids are having trouble with their weight, it's also one of the most important things you can do. The importance of being a good role model simply can't be overstated. Kids hear what you say and they see what you do. And if you're trying to inspire your child to turn off the TV, put down the video games, and get active, you have to be there right along with them. The good news is, getting active with your kids is not only good for their health, it's also good for your health. And the great thing is, it's lots of fun. First, focus on activity, not exercise. The idea of exercise can invoke calisthenics or gym class, and your kids don't have to do jumping jacks to be active. Take a walk in the park, ride bikes, walk the dog together, go to a museum. Even a walk around the shopping mall can burn calories. Make a game of it. If your kids like basketball, have a game of horse. Play tag or hide and seek. Throw pass patterns. Goodness knows, we threw a lot of pass patterns in our family. Just horse around, make up your own games. And speaking of games, don't take away video games, computers, and TV time, but do set limits. And while you're getting active, talk. Use the time with your kids to find out how they're feeling. Let them know you notice when they succeed.
And let them know how much you enjoy being together.
You know, Dad, that's funny. I don't remember you telling me how much you enjoy spending time with me.
Huh? I'm sure I had fun with you. Or maybe that was your brothers.